So we are back with solving the second variant of this question paper, and so yeah, the first time I did it, but I forgot when did I do it, so I cannot even find the file, and I also deleted it. So it's best I re-record the whole thing. Yeah, let's just quickly do this. Is for fuel consumption and CO2 emissions for 10 cars. Damn. Has a fuel consumption of 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers. So 6.5. So this is 10 units and it goes about 5. Okay, 10 blocks and 5 units. So 10 over 5 is equals to 2. So this is 60, 60.1, 60.2, 60.3, but 60.2 is what are interested, and of 162 kilograms. Kilograms and a grams a kilometer. This is 20, and we have 10 blocks. So each block is 2. Okay, so you want to go to 62, 160, 162. Nice. So this is this point right here. Yeah. What type of correlation does the graph show? You can see it's like going upwards, right? So it is a positive correlation. Draw the best line of fit on the scatter diagram. Now, best line of fit is like very subjective, objective, everything active. So I will just draw the what I most possibly can. Okay, the best one. You guys can just draw anyone. Like example, this could be your best line of fit. Like within this margin that I drew, I could have it like this, whatever. Okay, whatever works for you. Okay. Paul, whose car has CO2 emissions of 140 grams a kilometer. Well, use the best line of fit to estimate the fuel consumption of his car. So we can see it directly lands on a nice integer. Oh my god. Okay, this is not a nice point. So this is 50, 5.2, 5.3. This is like in between 5.2 plus 5.3 mean. So this is like 5.25 liters per 100 kilometers. Next, the diagram shows an accurate net of an open box in the shape of a cuboid. Let's think about this for a second. This height is this. Let's think of these heights separately. I will draw this box twice, and you guys tell me. So if we add x plus y, you can see this is like almost like this. X plus y gives us this, and we know if we scale x 2.5 times, we get this length as well. So it's equals to 2.5x. You know, and this is just like so. So what you can do is solve for it, and magically we get 5, 2, 3. Okay, I'm joking, but you need to get a ruler in real life and measure it. If the thingy that you have is like a bit off by a centimeter or so, then please tweak your printer settings or print it at home yourself. Okay, so that it does not warp, because these questions are like a bit sensitive to like incorrect printing. So that's why if a topical book that you buy, example like from MS Books, and if the diagram is like scaled down and the marking scheme does not reflect that, that means that the printing has some errors. Find the total area of the net. So we have 5 regions, and let's find their area. First is this length is 3. This is also the same length, so this is also 3. This length is the same, so this is 2, and hence this is 2. These 2 lengths are 5, so we go like so. The total net of the area, so this is 10, 15, 6, 10, 6. 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 15. This is 20 plus 12 plus 15. This is 27. This is 47. Total area. Find the volume of the open box. So volume, what is it? 5 times 2 times 3, right? 5, 2, 3, 10, 30, nice, here you go. Why? Because, let's fold this together. Okay, let's start with this. Then we make this like half. Then we can have this half as well. So, a bit like so, a bit like this. Next, you will have this half as well, so kind of like this. So let's reflect this over here. Yeah, and finally this right over here. It is like so. You can see it's like an open box, it's like a board. So this is how we have it. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 5. You can see that it, yes, and it does give us a area, a volume of 50. Reciprocal of this, let's find it. This is 10 over 3, so the reciprocal is 3 over 10. This 6 times 7 a half, so this is 7 over 12. How cool would it be if it was 7, 11? Vector negative 2, 5. So we go in the direction of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively, and if it's negative, we go the opposite direction. Here we have negative 2, so we go in the backwards direction of the x-axis. 1, 2. Next, we go 5 up because it's in the direction of the y-axis. A bit like so. I will name this AI. If you can call it A prime, whatever. A after reflection in line, y is equals to x. So let's draw y is equals to x. Okay, remember it's not this. This is wrong. It's this. So let's do it. We go 4, so we go down 4. 6, we go down 6. 2, we go down 2. 3, we go down 3. And hence we make this B. I'll call this A2, or you guys can call this A double prime, whatever, and like label it. Whatever. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Now, we can do something, yeah. Oh, and forgot. The thingy that I'm doing, okay, for this, this translation thingy, you can either use your tracing paper that you brought with you in your pouch, or the center gave it to you, whatever. Or you guys can just do this, you know, have this point right here, move this point relative to whatever transformation you want to do in transition. So negative 2 and positive 5. Then you know this point will correlate to all the other points like so. And then you can find out the resultant shape. For the reflection, you guys can just use your pencil and draw these lines like so, and then at the end you can just delete that and draw this in with your pencil. And of course draw the line with a ruler. Come on, it's dead simple. Next, that maps triangle A into triangle B, shape A into shape B. It's not a triangle, it's not nothing, it's something at best. We will connect 2 points which are same in both shapes. Okay, we know that this is the same here. It's like a 90 degree made by two lines which are 2 units long. Okay, that's how we can correlate them. Next, we can make this point connect with this point because it's like with a 2 unit line and a root 5 unit line. Don't ask how I know that, please. It's a company secret. So let's rotate it about the axis. You guys can just use a protractor or something, whatever. But you cannot just eyeball it. Okay, if you want to eyeball it, then eyeball it properly. This becomes like so, and if you can extend it. Okay, something fell off the wall. This is not a clue. No, this is not a clue. This is just this line intersecting with this line. It's a coincidence. And after explaining, I also ruined the entire trick. We can also rotate this the same. Let's properly make it. Let's properly make this. We know this is like about in the center of this, like about rotating about -1. This is I'll put it in blue first before going to black. This is like so. This is like this 4 3. So you're going like 4 3 because it's like 90 degrees, right? So let's do this. Gone. Oh shit. Yay. A bit okay, it's like not that perfect, but yeah. If you can just erase this line, then you can see yes that these 2 points indeed intersect. These 2 lines indeed intersect at only 1 point, which is, you guessed it, it should be -3 3. Which I cannot get to work because I cannot draw. Dude. Okay, but the answer is 3 3. Okay, I didn't know how I got it on the first try. I think I used a different set of points, but try your best to be clear as possible. You guys can prove that yes, this is indeed the turning point if we just go do this, and this makes a 90 degree. You can prove it using a protractor. And hence rotation about 3 3 of 90 degrees. Now this is going like this. This is going anti-clockwise. How? A clock goes like this, right? A clock. So it's going in the opposite direction. So it is anti-clockwise. Anti. Find the value of E when C is equals to root 18 and E is equals to 2. This is easy. You know. Five times 18 is equals to 90 minus 4 is equals to 86. I don't trust myself. 840. Yeah, nice. 86. Rearrange to find C in terms of E and D. So let's quickly do this. C is equals to E plus D squared over 5 square root of this, and hence we get our answer. Factorize. Oh my god. X need 2 common, X common. So this is 3W minus 2Y, like so. Immediately done. Okay. Complete these statements using the values from the list. Cosine of 45. Let's do this. So this is a 45. So adjacent to our hypotenuse is 1 root 2. 1 root 2 is cosine of 45. 1 over root 2. TOA. This is 60. This is 2. 1 root 3. TOA, which is opposite or adjacent. Opposite or adjacent. So this is root 3. Nice. No. Root 3 over 2. Sorry. Root 3 over 2. This is because my trick uses this being 2. So if we half every unit, then you get the proper values, because the hypotenuse must remain 1 in a second. Right? 63 has a product. It's easy. 63 is 7 times 9 is equals to 3 squared times 7. Let's prove it. 63, 3, this is 31, 21, 3, 7, 7, 1. Look at this mosquito bugging me out. Get it? Bugging me out. Ha ha ha. 42 is 7 times 6 is equal to 7 times 3 times 2. So LCM. So 63 is equals to 3 squared times 7, and 42 is equals to 2 times 3 times 7. So it is 2 times 3 squared times 7. We need to multiply this out. Sorry. Find the LCM. So this is 2 times 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. So 63 times 3 is equals to what? 126. Let me prove for 1 to 42. Wait. 1 to 42. I do not trust myself. Still. 21. Okay, yeah. Easy peasy. HCF of this cube. We know 63 is 3 squared times 7. This is 2 times 3 times 7 for 42. So the HCF will be 7 and 3. So the HCF is 21. Now here the variables, this is a to the 5 c squared, a squared c to the 5. The lowest powers are this two. So a to the squared, c to the squared. Very simple. 0.73 repeating as a fraction, giving your answer in its simplest form. Very easy. We can go on about our day and do this. So this is 1 repeating. So we need to multiply it by 10 to the 1, which is 10. 10x is equals to 0.7333, 7.3333. Repeating. Remember, for this trick, you have to have your, be a bit patient and write your digits, write your everything a bit cleaner. I also write it like rushed, and that's a very bad habit of mine also. So yeah, You have to be a bit of a slow down fireplace at this point. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is like 5, I suppose. No, 6. Yeah, 6.6. X is equal to 6.6. X is equal to 6.6 over 9 is equal to 60 over 66 over 90. Multiply both sides by 10. Okay, we want to remove this decimal, you know. Then we can simplify this. Is equal to 33 over 22 over 30. Yeah. Number sides of a regular polygon with an interior angle of 140 degrees. Interior angle of 140 degrees. So one interior angle is 140 degrees. So let's do it. 180 times n minus 2 over n is equal to 140. We can have this 180 over n minus 360. Now 180 or 360 over n is equals to 140. This is negative 360 over n is equals to negative 40. Hence, n is equals to negative 360 over negative 40, which gives us 9. So our answer is 9. 12. On the grid, draw these 4 gay lines. So x is equals to 8. Exactly. Y is equals to 2. Or x plus y is equals to 8. Let's quickly fix these. So y is equals to 8 negative x plus 8, and y is equals to x plus x over 2 plus 2. Excuse me. This is 8 negative 1 negative x. You guys can do this slowly. Okay, I have a video to make. Okay, x plus 2 and x a half. If at this you get a half of this number, then surely this line if we extend it and also increase it by 2, you get the proper line that it wants us to make. Nice. 5 marks for free. By shading the unwanted regions of the graph, find and label the region R. These 4 inequalities. We want to find and label the region R by shading the unwanted regions. What regions we want? This. So let's go. We have. Okay, I'm doing it with this. Then I will shade the regions. Okay. Remember, draw these with your pencil. Okay, with your pencil. I cannot change the material of these while I'm using them. I don't know why. That's like such a stupid thing. I hope we can. Okay, Samsung, if you're watching this, then please do as you must. X is less than or equals to 8. So what does this mean? This means, it is like this half. X is greater, y is greater than 2. X plus y is equals to, okay. So this equality sign remains. So what is this equality sign? Yes, y is greater than equals to negative x plus 8. Y is less than equals to x over 2 plus 2. So let's quickly go back and see what is going on in here. So is greater than, so it is above this line. And x over 2 plus 2 It is less than. Nice. So these are the regions we want. These regions are what define R, you know. But we want to shade the unwanted region. We do not want R. No. Yeah, we do not want others. We want only R. So let's shade the unwanted regions carefully. Nice. I have to like fix my pencil after recording. I don't know what settings I put it in. Let's go. A circular of a circle has an angle of 90 and a radius of flat. Actually arc length. So this is 90 over 360 times arc length of the sector. Okay. So this is 2 times pi times r. Let's go. This is simplifies to a quarter, a fourth. We get cancel this out to 2. We can cancel this out to be 6. So this is 6 pi. Not much work going on. The end term of a sequence is given by this. Write the first 3 terms of the sequence. So, well, plug in 1, you get 1 minus 3 is equals to like the 2. 2 squared minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. 3 squared minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6. Here the first 4 terms of finite sequence. Find the nth term of the sequence. Hold on. I don't know if you guys remember this formula. I don't. The method I did in the previous recording, it was like way long. Okay, way long, so long, and so redundant. It's like you can skip like basically everything off it and just use known things. Yeah. We can find the A, B, C, D. First, we got to prove it. We got to prove what kind of sequence this is. So, let's find the first difference, which is, okay, let's do our work. 4, 12, 36, 108. This is a difference of 8, 24, and this is a difference of 72. Next, so we can see this is not linear. You can see this is not a quadratic either. So that leaves us with the only logical sequence, a cubic, because it's not even a we do not have enough data to prove that it's a geometric either. So the only way we know it is it's a cubic. So let's do it. We know the third difference is equals to 6a. This is equals to 12a plus 2b. This is equals to 7a plus 3b plus c, and this is equals to a plus b plus c plus d. These guys over here. First difference, first term, first difference, second difference, and third difference. This is the first, quote first, second difference, and this is the third difference. Given we have a data of only 4, so let's do it. 6a is equals to 32, we get a is equals to 32 over 6 is equals to 16 over 3. Nice. 16 over 3 is our first term. B. So we get 12 16 over 3 plus 2b is equal to 16. Nice. Let's solve for b. So 2b is equal to 16 minus 12 times 16 over 3. You can simplify this. This is 4 times 16, right? This is, hence you can simplify this further by doing this. Everyone can have been simplified. So this is 8. Okay, I won't just do working, you guys can do working. 8 and this is 2. So let's do this. This is 8 minus 32 is equal to negative 24. Next, for C we have 16 over 3 plus 3 negative 24 plus C is equal to 8. Ooh. Don't worry. With enough patience, anything is possible. 7 times 16 is equal to 42 plus 70, but you get 112. So this is 112 over 3 minus this is 3. We can convert this into something else, but I don't want to because then it will ruin the trick. So this is, for now, this is 24 times 3 is equal to 6, 12, 72 plus C is equal to 8. C is equal to 8 plus 72 minus 112 over 3, and this becomes let's see. Okay, remember this is the margin. You cannot draw outside this. You can, but like the examiner won't be able to find it. You know, they are adults themselves. Okay, they aren't like us who play FIFA all day and can see some working with a peripheral vision. So 8 plus 72 is what? 80. Next, we can do this. We can multiply 3 on both sides to get 240 over 3. So you can combine this, right? So 240 minus 112 is equal to what? 8, 2, 1, 128 over 3. 128 over 3. I know. But it's a good number. It's a good number. 128 over 3. So you're saying you have to do all this for 2 marks. Do you think this is worth it? No. Right? I said this should be like 4 marks and this should be like 1 mark. For D, I'm already tired. So a 16 over 3 minus 24 plus 128 over 3 plus D is equal to 4. Yeah. So let's do this. 128 plus 16 is equal to what? 8, 10, 14, 4, 144. So you get negative 24 plus 144 over 3 plus D is equal to 4. What is this? Yes, 12 squared. This is 12 times 12 over 3. This is simplifies to 4. 12 times 4 is 48. Negative 24 plus 48. What is this? 24. 24 plus D is equal to 4. So D is equal to negative 20. Nice. And there's our answer. EAD. Give a reason for each step of a working. I hate this. Either it's me Or either they didn't even give us some answer space. Like, have some decency, man. Let's do this. So EAF is equal to this. You can find EAD. You need to find this. This is corresponds to this angle. You can find this angle by completing a triangle. You can find this angle by doing this. So let's go. DAB is equal to 180 minus DCB cyclic quadrilateral has opposite sides sum to 180. So it is equals to what? 180 minus 75 is equals to what? Nice. This is 105. Next we have this, completing the triangle. DABD is equals to 180 minus 20 minus 105. No. Okay. Wait, what? What? I'll go with it. Wait, let me prove it. Okay, yeah, this can be done. This gives us 55. Interior angle in a triangle is 180. So it's equals to 180 minus 20 is equals to 160, or minus 105 is equals to 55. So next is ABD is equals to EAD 35 angle segment theorem 55. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. What? 3 pi? 3 for pi? Pi is not C. Since when this is an engineering paper. An estimate for radius substance. This is 500 is equals to oh my god. This feels so illegal. This is 125 is equals to R cubed. This is a massive approximation. A massive. If you were to do this legitimately, this would give us 4.9. Yeah, 4.9237. Expand and simplify. We can do this. 12 plus 8 root 7 minus 3 root 7 minus 14. This is negative 2. This is plus 5 root 7 Yeah, correct. Expand and simplify. So this is 2 times 3 minus root 5, and this is 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Cancel this without, we get 2. So this is 3 minus root 5 over 2. Marwa picks one of these tiles at random. She replaces the tile and then picks the second tile at random. But the probability that the two tiles have the same even number. How many even numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 over 10 times 7 over 10 is equals to 49 over 100, right? And okay, we want both to be the same. So the probability, okay, you guys can just do this, else the probability chart is even is let me draw it small. Even is 7 over 10 and odd is 3 over 10. And further down, since she replaces it, so the odds do not change. 7 over 10, 3 over 10 is equals to odd, even, odd. So hence you get this number. When you go a branch by a branch, we multiply. Find from the 10 number, she now picks 3 times at random without replacement. From the probability that sum of the numbers on the tiles is 11. This is a fun joke. 3 tiles that sum to 11. Let's see. Coca-Cola Pepsi. So you want to pick up 3 numbers, 3 cards, yes. How do you have a sum which becomes 11? Let's see. Let's pick up the highest cards. 4, 4, and if you pick up another 4, then this is 12. Let's go down a bit. 3. Lucky guess, because that's the only method, only way I know. Okay, I haven't checked the marking scheme. Okay, I do not really check marking schemes. Okay. I don't know why, but yeah, this is the method I found. 4 plus 4 plus 3. So 4 has a probability of a 10. 4 probability has a probability of 5. 3 has a probability of 2 per 10. So we can use this down below because I do not have the entire paper onto myself. So let's do P 5 over 10 times 4 over 9 times 2 over 8, because there are 10 tiles. Each time you pick, there's less. 5. Now how many tiles do we have of 4? 4. Then we haven't picked up 3 yet, so that's why it is 2. Okay, you guys can use a probability chart in those 3 diagrams, whatever, but to save time I'm not using those. Let's simplify. 5, this is 2, this is cancels out, this 4 and 8 cancels out, so we get 1 over 18. Expand and simplify. So this is distributive law 3 times. Let's do these two. So you get 3x plus 1 is equals to x squared plus 2x minus 8. Next we get 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 24x, x squared plus 2x minus 8, and hence we get 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus 22x minus 8. Nice. Two bottles are mathematically similar. The volume of a larger bottle is 216 and a height of 10. 216, 10, and the volume of the smaller bottle is 27 and a height of h. Find the value of h. Now this is a similarity question. This is a cube because V1 or V2 is equal to L1 over L2 quantity square, a cube. So we do this. Let's cube root both sides. We hate cubes. So this is 6 over 3 is equal to 10 over h. What do we get? This is 2. Yeah. Yes. 2. Then we get h is equal to 5. Simple. Wow. Write this in the form this where a and b are integers. So let's do this. This is 8x. How do you get this? Let's expand this. X squared plus 2ax plus a squared plus b. You can come around to this later. 2ax is equal to 8x. So 2a is equal to 8, a is equal to 4. Nice. So this is x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus b. 16 plus b is equal to what? 7, negative 7. So b is equal to 16, 7, 12, 13, negative 23. Nice. So this is x plus 4 squared minus 23. Write down the coordinates of the turning point of the curve, this. So it is negative 4, negative 23. Whenever we have a curve, a quadratic, in the form of x minus v squared plus h, the vertex, okay, here will be at vh. Hence, this is positive. So positive is, no, negative is positive, and hence we get negative 4 minus 23 because the outside does not matter. I was stuck in this question in the last recording. I think that's why I didn't complete it. I just hated it in general. OABC is a parallelogram. OA is A and OC is C. So yeah, that's the words of wisdom you guys will ever get from me. Yes, I'm looking up the marking scheme. I do not trust myself. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, but I do not trust myself for this one. So for now, you guys just have to watch me cheat. I know, it's a hard thing to do. Watching me cheat, but come on, it's sometimes necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dude, what? Ooh. Yeah, okay, I've made some mistakes in my life before, and it's okay. AP, let's find AP. AP to PC is equal to 1 over 4. How do you find this? Let's do AP plus PC is equal to AC. Let's find AC. AC is what? AC is equals to AO plus OC. AO is OA negative. This is negative A plus C. It is C minus A. And if we go AP, let's do AP. This is A plus a fifth of AC, which is AP, is equals to A plus a 5 C minus A. This is equals to no, only this. Yeah, only this. This is AP. So this is what? That's 1 over 5 C minus A. Yeah, 1 over 5 C minus A. We know AP, so why are we adding it with A? Okay, so that's that. OP. Yeah, now we have done it. OA plus AP is equals to OP. This is A plus a fifth, C minus A. Let's look at this carefully. A minus a fifth is equals to 4 fifth. We can factor out the fifth again, and we get C minus 4A. Now 4A plus C. Nice. Choose a point on AB such that AQ is equals to a quarter C. How do you do it? Okay, let's do it. So AQ is equal to quarter C. If you go AQ, so it's like a quarter of this. It doesn't really look like a quarter, is it? Not to scale, obviously. So show that OP and Q line a straight line. We can do OP and then to PQ and then say that, hey, these are parallel. So how do we do it? Share a common factor. Okay. So this is AQ. So we can do AP. We know AP, we know AQ, we can find PQ. So this is PA plus AQ is equals to PA. What is PA? It is 105 A minus C plus AQ. What is AQ? A quarter C. So this is 1 over 5 A minus 1 over 5 C plus 1 over 4 C. Common C, so this is negative 4 plus 5. This is 1. So 5 over A is equals to 1 over 20 C. Nice. PQ. So this is a common. In common, we can have 1 over 20 as common. This is 4A minus C. Ooh, no. Yeah. 4A plus C. Plus C. PQ and OP is equals to that. So OP is equals to PQ is equals to KOP. So 1 over 28. So we have proven that these two are parallel, and hence we have said that these are in a straight line. Let's look at these value. Nice. The gradient of the tangent to the curve at x is equals to 2. So this is easy. Or the tangent to the curve, gradient of the tangent, meaning derivative. Y prime is equals to 4x minus 11. Y prime at 2 is equals to 8 minus 11 is equals to negative 3. Hence it is the correct answer, negative 3. Next we have line intersects at curve at x is equals to 2 and it's perpendicular to the tangent at the curve at when equation of phi. Let's find the slope. So it is m1 m2 is equals to negative 1, m2 is equals to negative 1 over negative 3 is equals to a third, and the point at x is equals to 2 on the curve. So you want y of 2 is equals to let's compute this down here. Y at 2. So this is 8 minus 22 plus 12. Minus 22 is equals to negative 2. Yeah. Now let's go. We can do many things over here. I don't know why this is the answer it's giving me. Okay, let's figure it out ourselves. So this is what? A third x minus 2 is equals to y. Let's expand this. We get a third x minus 2 over 3 minus 2 is equals to y. Let's simplify this. This is negative 2 minus 6 over 3. So our answer is y is equals to a third x minus 8 over 3. Nice. Next, the final, almost the final, we need to find this. So this is 49 square, this is the 7 squared times 2 minus x. So we get 2x plus 1 is equals to what? 4 minus 2x. Yeah. So this is plus 1. This is 2 minus 2. Add 2x on both sides. And minus 1 minus 1. We get 4x is equals to 3. And x is equals to 3 over 4. Nice. Find the coordinates of these 2 points. Let's go. My throat is like a bit hurting from talking too much. I don't know what's going on. I used to talk like a lot longer. I'm getting old. For the video. 4x minus 7. This is plus 4x minus 7. Negative 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is this same as a negative on all. You know, negative on all. We do not care at all. We get 7 plus minus. Let's do the determinant. Negative 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3. We get 49 minus 4 times 6 is equal to 24. What do you get? 25, and hence this is 5. What is this? 4. This is x is equals to. Hence x is equals to 12 over 4 is equals, yeah, 7 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 2 over 4 is equals to 3, negative 0.5. Next we need to plug this into y. So this is 7 minus 4 times 3 is equal to 7 minus 12 is equal to negative 5. So this is at 3 negative 5. 7 minus 4 negative 0.5 is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Yeah. This is the correct answer, right? What? Wait. Why is this positive? No. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, nice. Okay, let's go back and quickly clean up the mistakes that we did. Okay. So I don't know why it is like it's went to like an older marking scheme style. I don't know. Creepy, dude. Positive rule line of best fit drawn. Line of best fit must be between unknown, very good freehand. Reading at 140 from there, straight line. And yeah, 5. Oh my god. What the hell is the marking scheme even yapping about? Straight up yapping. Correct answer is only 7 over. What? How? Who said 7-Eleven? Okay, something happened. Something happened. Oh no. Something changed. Image at negative. Correct rotation 90 anti-clockwise, 86. Plus or minus E. Okay, yeah, this plus minus is like optional in these questions. FT 102. Huh? I got it. You know how I said all markings go a half? Well, so does the fraction, but it simplifies. I'm an idiot. I'm a child. 3 times 3 times 7 or 3 squared times 7. Do not put a dot, please. This is 126, this is 21, A squared, C squared, nice. 11 or 15, correct answers only. Can it allow 22 or 3? Yes, nice. Or equivalent, 9. This is, yes. Yay. The graph looks so suspicious, dude. They have like the lines, okay, the 9 numbers, the units on the lines in Arial, and they have the axis and the or in times. Tell me how that makes sense, please. This is 6 pi, nice. It's like a mosquito, really making me angry. 4 times 3 to the negative. What do you mean? Dude. How? Dude. This makes no sense. Bruh. So that's why it's for 2 marks. My instincts were correct. So what's the correct answer? 3. Yeah, you see it, right? So the first answer, so this is this. Nice. EAD is equal to 55. A cyclic quadrilateral sum to has opposite angles sum to 180. Alternate segment theorem, total interior is and EAD is this much, 45. Nice. B2. This answer is 5. And this is wrong. You know, I have not done probability in like a long while. The same even number. Let's look at this carefully. The same even number. And it is even. So it's not that we choose any even number. We want to choose the same even number. That the choice, the method to choose 2 is 2 over 10, and you choose it twice is equal to 4 over 100. Then choosing 4 twice is 5 over 10. Give us 25 over 100, and we sum those up. Because or means and. So we add them up to get 29 over 100. Nice. I hate this so much. And this is 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Why? Why? 2 10 5 9s 4 8s times k times k. Huh? Okay, I'm getting real mad with this one. 1, 2 or 3. Fractions, percentage, decimal equivalents. Who on earth even does repeated? Why is this 1 over 6? Why is this 1 over 6? Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heart. Ain't nothing but a mistake. How? That the sum of the numbers on the tiles on a 3 tiles is 11. There's like not even a guidance. Yes, this is correct partially, but you have to multiply by k to get 1 over 6 as the correct answer. So this is 2 times. Why 2? What do you mean? Wait, what did I choose? Yeah, 5 times 4 times 2. Yeah, this is correct. But we have to choose multiplied by k. 1, 2 or 3. And 3 gives us the correct answer. Why is it 3? Let's look at these carefully. We can choose the 4 tiles how many times? So 2 choose 5 is equals to 5 prime over 2 prime times 3 prime. We can choose this 4 prime 5 times 4 times 3 prime. This cancels out. Yeah, this is 2, this is 2, this is 10. 10 ways. You can choose it in 10 ways. Right? Next, we can choose the 3 tiles any 2 ways. Yeah, any 2 ways. So how is this 1 over 6 then? I don't even know myself. I do not want to keep you guys waiting. Okay, let's look at this. Or equivalent. 1 over 6, 2 over 12, 3 over 18, blah 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 blah. Now, the sum of the numbers on the 3 times is 11 without replacement. So, she picks any 3. Okay, any 3. We want 4 times 4 times 3. 4 plus 4 plus 3. Either she picks 4 or 3, then again 4 or 3, then again 4 or 3. So these are the parts. 4, 4, 4, 3. So this is 4 times, so this is 5 over 10 times 4 over 9 times 2 over 8. 4, 3, 4, 5 times 10 times 2 over 9 times 4 over 8. Yeah, this is also a part. And 3 times 4, 4. And 2 over 10 times 5 over 9 times 4 over 8. three parts. So that is why we have these three. Because you can permute these three times, summation is commutative. Hence, you get three answers. These evaluate all to 1 over 18. Hence, our answer is 1 over 6. See, if we take things slowly, then you get through it slowly. We get this as our answer. Yes, then it is 5. We get this correct, this correct. These two are correct. Yeah, okay, this is not a good ticket. OP is parallel to PQ. Common point P, hence collinear. Okay. -3, this, and then we have 3 over 4, and we have this as our final answer. Nice. I hope you guys like the solving video and saw that I'm ass at probability. Like, subscribe and share, and goodbye.